Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and y'all, we have a run glitch deal. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure that you turn on your notifications. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals like this one right here. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Now, first up, I know that we have a lot of newbie couponers out there, and I do want to go ahead and welcome you all into our crazy couponing community. If you ever have any questions, don't be afraid to ask. And if you want to talk behind the scenes, my Instagram and email are in the description box of every video. So you can always reach out to me that way as well. Now, here's a few things that everybody needs to keep in mind. Number one, digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. So you can only use those digital coupons one time per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, because they are simply just that. They are a glitch in the system, and Dollar General can fix this at any time. So when you are in the store, it is going to be very, very important that you scan each and every item with your Dollar General app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also you want to scan each item to price check, because prices can vary from store to store. Now, let's go ahead and get into some deals, shall we? So, first up, I wanted to share this deal with you. This one is not a glitch deal. It's not a run deal. It's not anything like that. This is a regular daily deal that you guys can do all week long, but it's a really good deal, and I wanted to go ahead and tell you all about it. So, we received this new digital coupon. It's $3 off when you purchase 6 of the Caesar wet dog food trays, the singles. So, these are priced at $1.35 each. Pick up a total of 6. That's going to put you at $8.10. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.10. But this deal gets even better, because right now on Shopkick, we have 15 scan kicks. So when you scan the product in the store, you're going to get 15 kicks back. And then you're also going to submit your receipt, and you're going to get 200 kicks for purchasing the product. So you're going to get a total of 86 cents back. That's going to make your final price $4.24 for 6 items. All right, so there's your first deal. Now moving on into our second deal for this video. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys this video from last week, because we have a repeat glitch, y'all. Can you believe that? I don't think I've ever seen that in the history of my Dollar General couponing. So you want to go into your local Dollar General and be on the lookout for the Caesar Simply Crafted. It's the chicken, carrots, and green beans, the one with the little green label. Look everywhere. Look on your sky shelves. Look on the end caps. Look behind other dog food. You just never know where you will find this. So last week, this was actually priced at $2.15, I believe. Now it has dropped in price down to $2. So what you want to do is pick up one of those, make sure it's the chicken, carrots, and green beans, and scan before you go up to the register. Make sure you have this 5 off 1 digital coupon clipped to your account, and that is going to make this item completely free, plus give you $3 in overage if you are at a store with the older registers that still have the keyboards in place. Now, a couple of things to remember on this deal. Number one, you do not let the cashiers give you cash back. So you have to add something into this transaction, possibly the first deal that I told you all about, in order for that $3 to have something to apply to. So if you did the first deal and you did this deal right here, you're going to be paying, what was it, $1.24 out of pocket, because that $3 in overage will apply to that first deal. Hopefully that makes sense. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comment section. Now, if you have a new register at your store, unfortunately, you will not get the overage, but this coupon will make this item completely free. Now, if that is your only option, all of your stores have updated to the new registers, I would just hold on a couple of minutes. I'm going to tell you about another deal that I think I would do instead of this one at a new register store. But for now, let's stick with this deal. And this deal gets even better, because right now on Shopkick, we have 15 scan kicks. So you scan the product while you're in the store, and then you're also going to get back 50 kicks for purchasing the product. So you're going to get back a total of 26 cents. That's going to make your final price completely free, plus a $3.26 moneymaker. So this glitch actually turned out to be an even better glitch this week than it was originally last week when it popped up. Now let's go ahead and move on into the third deal that I want to share with you all. All right, so now we're going to head on back into Dollar General. And as y'all can see, I'm kind of climbing up onto a step stool here because your girl is short. You want to be on the lookout for the Caesar wet dog food trays, the 6-packs. They're priced at $8. They do have some with more in them. I think they're priced at $15.95 right there. So you could definitely pick up those instead if you would like. But for this deal, we're going to focus on the ones that are priced at $8, and that is the 6-pack. So you're going to pick up one of those, the Caesar wet dog food filet and chicken 6-packs. And again, those are $8. You're going to use that 5 off 1 digital coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $3. Now again, this is the deal that I would use if I only had new register stores or if I had to go through self-checkout. This is the deal to do. Because this deal gets even better as well, because right now on Shopkick, we have 15 scan kicks on the Caesar multi-packs, plus we have 450 buy or purchase kicks. So you're going to get back a total of $1.86. That's going to make your final price $1.14. Now, this deal may get even better because right now we have a DG cashback offer of $5 back when you purchase one of the multi-packs, and it is attaching to the 6-pack. So if it stacks, if it allows you to use the coupon and still gives you the cash back, you're going to get back $5. That's going to make it completely free, plus a $3.86 moneymaker. So again, if I only had the new registers in my area, or if I get to a store and I can't find the Caesar Simply Crafted singles, this is going to be the deal to do, I think, because if you do get that cash back, that's going to make it a money maker. Now, with these cashback offers, I cannot guarantee you that it's going to stack. And with the cashback offers, it can take it a day or two to show up on your account. I believe the website says 24 to 48 hours. In my experience, mine have always shown up within an hour or two, but it's just one of those things that you just have to keep checking back. Now, this part of the deal is definitely a glitch. You can't complain if you don't get the cash back because the digital coupon applied first. If that coupon applies first, we are not supposed to be getting this Dollar General cash back. But the system has been glitching out a little bit, so if you get the cash back, it's going to make it a money maker. Now, one more thing that I wanted to mention, y'all make sure that you are scanning your receipts into Fetch Rewards, because we also have a Caesar wet dog food bonus on there. For when you spend $6, you're going to get 2,000 points back, which is about $2. So these are deals that definitely just keep on giving. Now, if you guys are not already signed up for Fetch Rewards, I don't know what you're waiting on. This is the easiest rebate app out there. All you have to do is take a picture of your receipt. You're going to earn points on every single receipt, and then you can turn those points into gift cards. So if you're not signed up, make sure that you go and do that. My referral code is on the screen here as well as down in the description box below. And the same goes with Shopkick. Shopkick is another really great app. But I'm going to be honest with you all, with Shopkick, they don't give us a whole lot of offers for Dollar General. I'm not quite sure why, but when they do, it is good to go ahead and have your account set up and have that established, because when we do get good offers on Shopkick for Dollar General, they are really good offers, making things super cheap or money makers. So make sure that you're signed up with Shopkick as well. All right, guys, so good luck out there. Come back and let me know if you score. And of course, make sure that you stick around because I have more deals to share with you all. We've got new coupons. We have new clearance markdowns. We have a penny list for this week. So a lot to look forward to. So before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And while you're at it, do all the things. Hit the thumbs up, leave me a smile in the comment section, and then take a second to share the video. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.